One of my favorite summer looks, welcome. One of my favorite summer looks is khaki. I just love khaki. It's like khaki and white, khaki and animal like I've got on. There's so many variables you can do with it. So we're gonna take fabrics that could be winter, summer, they could go year round, and put them with khaki, put them with white on the bottom, and it really lightens it up. So this idea I have today, I think is just so easy, and I hope you'll have a lot of fun with it. It's what I have on, but I'm gonna show you what I did with it. And I saw it in the store, and that started my wheels turning, and I just went crazy from there. And I diagrammed it out, and I'll show you all the parts. And we've been making jackets and, sewing. This is quick, light, easy, and really take a break from the jacket and sew something light. This was really fun. So what I did is I took 196. 196 is our 4-way cardi. It's from Nick and Zoe. Great little cardigan. And then I took our sweater set, but you could take any other top. You could take Anne's, et cetera, any other top you have. And what I did is I combined the two. So what you can see is this is actually only the front. It's not, it's only the front of the cardigan. I just sewed it onto the back so I can wear it open, I can wear it closed. Now I know you know that, but what that opens up to you is this front piece now can be any woven fabric. It can be sheer, it can be lace, it can be anything, because it no longer has to have stretch sleeves and the stretch back, because those are taken off the base. So if the sleeve and the front and the back are 195, the only thing that's 196 is the front. Is that cool? Because again, it could be a myriad of fabrics. It can be mixed and matched. It can just, my goal is to give you the base. You guys will take it forever. So it's really easy, but there are a few things to consider. So I just kind of want to talk about that. And I want you to look at this picture right now for a minute. Because what you have to do is, this is 196. This is the cardigan front of 196, is you have to finish A and B. So you have to finish that front edge. You have to finish the B edge. Now the reason I've got this line up there on the shoulder seam is because the shoulder seam on this cardigan has to be narrower than whatever you're putting it on, and it has to be finished, because when you sew it into the shoulder seam, that's it. You won't have any more time to finish it, and you want the neck edge to be wider, otherwise you won't be able to finish the neck edge. So these are things you would have discovered. I just want to give you a heads up. So finish the front edge, finish the hem, and make the shoulder seam of whatever you're putting it into narrower than what you're putting it into. But the armhole will be the same. It doesn't have to be a knit if it's only in the front to stretch. It can, like I said, be all these beautiful sheers we have, et cetera, et cetera. You will want to use a fabric that you like both sides, because when you tie this, or whatever you do with it, if you let it hang, you'll see both sides. You can cross it over to here. I mean, there's lots of fun things you can do with it. So be careful of that, but you can put the cardigan front, this little piece, onto any top out there, and you don't need the back, and you don't need the rest of it, which, oh my gosh, who'd have thunk? Anyway, the goal is to have easy, fun sewing. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.